Mide and Tacha cooking up something has been stirring a lot of blood. They were like, we didn't see this coming up. You guys expect anything at your own peril. Yeah. But guys, watch this video to the very end and catch you in the
people that are ready to listen to whatever you have to say. Hey, you guys. People that are ready. Hey, you guys, with the beautiful Mide. Trust me, you guys have no idea what we're about. Yeah, we're outside, we're watching. Wait, where's your face? I can see your face. Oh yeah, I can see your face now. We're active, baby. We're active. So Mide, come on, tell us what are we doing today? We're doing a make. No, let's not tell them. Let's not give them too much. Let's not give them too much. Let them just see. Let them just hit them once. Give them your favorite. Hey. Favorite ones. Hey. You know how you. BT, thank you for not judging Mide. She's really a sweet girl. I mean, judge her for what? Judge her for what exactly? Do you understand? You had housemates in the house, likeness happened, and then boom, they're in the house and they're out of the house. Do you understand? Life continues. It would never make sense to me to judge any housemate off of what I did watch or I did see in the screens. Did I have my opinion about Mide, especially on the first day she was on the show? I know I talked about, oh, why does she have a face like that and all them kind of stuff, but even having to hear from her right now and hearing that and then hearing that she had a corset on for over 8 hours all through the day, there's a lot that happens that you guys don't even know, honestly. And trust me, as much as you think you know, you people don't know a lot of things, because NDAs get signed, the restrictions to what housemates can say and all them kind of stuff. Not for me though. There's no NDA binding me, no worry. We know Dede.
But found that takes 1 or 2 do. What are those questions for Tacha? What? Seeing Tacha with Mide is not a talk of the devil. A topic on its own. I mean a topic on its own. Make una the rest last so make una the rest at least more. Anyway guys, please engage. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, so while the juice is cooking, definitely to bring to your doorstep. Don't leave it there. Always tune in and stay tuned. You heard what they say already. We didn't have given you guys a clue of what you're doing already before she now called the crap. Okay, before she now called the crap, trying to tell you guys that you guys will see things for yourself. Yeah, they are cooking up something. And coming off seeing the two of them has been stirring lots of pride. They were like, you hear the question to Tacha, how Tacha gave me the grace for what? Tacha being with Mide now is like, I really like the way you don't misunderstood her. Is Tacha God? Oh god damn, the way you guys picture these people to be. Okay, courtesy of Dede hanging out with Tacha and hanging out with Mide now is now the topic of the whole thing. Hey, you guys should do better, because the way you guys are reasoning, you guys are still far from what you need to achieve for you. It's better you get busy with something that is more tangible than going about this. We seen happen. Hey, god damn. Mide receiving the hype that she got. You can see Mide the air, the breed, the topic. The girl, they can't ignore the diamond of the season, the star girl of the season. Like the way Mide is trending bad. Courtesy of friendship with Dede. Hey. So courtesy, okay, sorry, because Mide is with Tacha. Okay, and you guys make it seem like, oh yeah, she's not supposed to be with friends. Oh yeah, you guys said, oh yeah, she's not hanging because Dede has been hanging out with the top lake girls, and you guys make it seem like, oh yeah, this one has nothing to write home about. So coming off saying Tacha with Mide has been a talk of the TL. Or this is a Mide has so-called friends now. Either choose her to be evicted or they much rather have Rooboy back except Mide. But no, you all rather purge every day on the internet with Mide's name tout. Alma said they swore she will be the one that won't have friends, but it's their fifth gang who doesn't have her own people. Now they want to wound us with she is minding her business Nobody will watch what she displayed in the house and feel safe with her. They were like, you see Mide and Tacha, this is what people said about her. But coming up saying that she's still hanging. The last time she hung out the twin, 1 year and now, yeah, Tacha. And what happened? Mide will not have friend, Mide will not have friend. Now what is happening? Oh yeah, the same lady that the other set girl Dede is hanging out with, Mide is hanging to you guys. This will say the obsession with Mide. One would think the people she has been relating with pursue are frogs. Yes, she has been minding her business and her ability to stay focused on her business despite you imbecile flooding her ideal lives in admirable. Or they were like, they keep stalking her. They say she is a talk. Oh my god, damn, you guys shouldn't. Yeah, they have played their own role in the game. They are out. You guys should pick up the pieces of your body, your lives, and everything. Focus on yourself and stop, radiating heat, pressure on these housemates. You guys are making it more worse than ever. What is happening here? Or does it mean that you guys don't have nothing to do with your lives? Waiting they happen. You guys are very, very serious at this. Yeah, for the case, you guys are carrying this housemate's headache for not just reason. Because why would you want to be friends with someone who's pure? Like, even those past season housemates will be scared to have certain conversation with her. They won't feel safe with her. Does it mean they are street girls or sugar babies that, oh yeah. Alright, Mide will always be your obsession and headache. You can't get over the fact that she is the most beautiful cherry, staying in her own lane and doing so well. Keep crying today, tomorrow and forever. Even call her friends won't be her friend. Finding fake friendship, is that what you want my queen Mide to be involved? I really love it for my girl Mide because I'm not type to go, oh yeah, now they're trained because the god there is friendship now. How? With friendship with the other housemates, previous season housemates, and now the talk of the season, you're like, Mide is her own man squad. You guys should leave her. She's minding her business. Now it's not okay to them. Anyway, there's nothing that will not be a topic to you guys. But does that supposed to make sense? Does this supposed to be a topic? Alright, so Mide is the only does they take from morning, afternoon, evening, and midnight. They talk about them. If they won't talk, they will much dump after you all are done drinking enough water because you have a long way to go. Keep watching because you need the strength. We don't want to hear anything later. And Dede has new friends from the house. Why don't you have fans stick to the friends you see her genuine for her faith? Each minute you want to be on Mide's case shows how you all really are obsessed with her. Mide will align with people God made for her. So oh god damn. Sometimes when I come across some of this thread of things you guys fight on this app, it makes me question if some of you are really that poor. Cause tell me, how do you brag over someone's invisible money to the point of comparing the invisible money to other housemates? Far as calling them broke, it's time you all start bragging about your faith. I think because that is the most important reason why they all want. Oh yeah. Anyway, that's how they roll. You see this lady. This is Koyinbbnaija fan, strong staunch fan, and I really like the way she moves. You don't see her throwing shade, dragging. Oh yeah, what she does is to hype her faith and people that she is supporting. That's all. But coming off dragging, she's not in it. But the people the clique that always drag, hey, I want to sabi this one. Just like you said, that girl packed the most toxic, senseless, and obsessed bunch of lunatic. I'll make a tweet about Mide, and from nowhere they will be commenting under that tweet. Like, how does that make sense? Mide will be live on IG and TikTok. They would dare like annoying mosquito. You guys should leave this matter because I don't want to stretch it, because you guys can do. Oh yeah. Anyway, my bromas, Brightmorgan and Kola Omoto show the way they were, Kola or Chigozi and the love for me. I was not thinking you guys are not brain. I think it's just the way things are going to. Jada still brought this. I saw this picture in my gallery. It's one of the most goated pictures this season. Kaybobobbnaija and Kola. See the way they are serving looks. Serving looks with attitude. The picture is very giving class. It's not a small serving look with attitude though. Just like the one of boss or the one of fight people. Oh, it's cutie, and they got the face card in it, right? Anyway guys, coming off dragging his friendship, what did Tacha spilled about Mide and what people are asking her, is it necessary? That's the question. Is it necessary? But guys, you guys will you guys will rest last at the end of everything, because anyway guys, I think I'm hanging up. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for now.